What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Comms, where I cover all things money. Are you looking for a stress-free work from home side hustle, meaning no investment, no travel, and good money? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $400 simply by reading. Let's get into it. So before we begin, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on information like this. So the side hustle I'm talking about is offering your service as a voice narrator.
But I don't have a good reading voice.
Doesn't matter, that's for the client to decide. There's a ton of books that need all types of niche voice actors. If you've ever read an audiobook, well, I guess you don't read an audiobook. If you've ever listened to an audiobook, chances are somebody like you just got paid. And stay tuned to the end of the video for a bonus plug. So the website that's gonna pay you to read is called Audio Creation Exchange, and you can find them at acx.com. I also have the link in the description. So with ACX, you can make anywhere from $50 to $400 per finished hour. So the way it works is you create a profile, add as many or as little audio samples as you want to your profile. So when an author is looking for a voice actor for their project, they can determine whether your voice is right for that project. Next, you're gonna choose your hourly rate. This is where it can get fun because you have the option of setting your own rate. But if you're new, you're gonna wanna choose a lower rate till you have an established track record. You can also choose to get paid by 50% royalty split. I really like this option, but it can be a double-edged sword because you won't get paid anything off the top. But if the audiobook does good, you can make way more money than your hourly rate and eat off that book for a long time. But if the book flops and doesn't do numbers, you did all that work for nothing since you opted out of the hourly rate. You can also choose to get paid by both hourly and royalty. But if you do that, you're less likely to get chosen for projects, so choose wisely. Next, you're gonna look for books using the ACX database. You're gonna look for projects that you think will best suit your voice. Next, you're gonna record a few minutes of the provided manuscript to send to the author as a sample. If the author likes your work, you'll receive an offer with payment terms and delivery dates. So when you start, you're not going to record the entire book and turn it in at one time. You're going to record in 15-minute checkpoints. The author needs to approve each 15-minute checkpoint before you can move on to the next 15 minutes. Once the work is 100% approved, you get paid. The best part about it is you can do it from the comfort of your own home and choose your own hours. So if you're looking for full-time pay or maybe just some side income, ACX can be worth your while. All right, so right here when you're looking for books to work on, you can go to compensation and you can choose anywhere from $50 to $100 per finished hour, all the way to $400 to $1,000 per finished hour. Let's see what that gets you here. You can even choose right here royalty share or royalty share plus, which the plus is the hourly rate plus your royalty share. All right, let's see what this gets you right here. So project budget $400 to $1,000 per finished hour for this book right here. This title is accepting auditions. So you can send the author a message with your audio sample. So let's take this off and be a little bit more realistic. Let's go with $100 to $200 per finished hour. You get a ton of books here. There's 62 titles here. Simp to Pimp in 48 Hours. Secret Alpha Male Dating Tactics. $100 to $200 per finished hour. So there's 62 titles to choose from. There's probably a lot more competition because the compensation rate is a little bit higher. Let's go to $50 to $100 per finished hour, which is still not bad. So you have 253 titles here. $50 to $100 per finished hour, auditions being accepted. So this is for a children's book right here. You have that Simp to Pimp book. You have this Coming Out book. Oh, look at this one. Your Complete Keto Diet for Beginners. So all these books here have a different niche voice that these authors are looking for. You're bound to find something that's gonna fit your voice style. All right, bonus time. So you're already making money reading. Why stop with ACX? Now it's time to make some extra income. You've heard of Fiverr.com, where you can offer and purchase digital services like custom artwork and web design. But did you know you can also offer voiceover services on Fiverr.com? This has the potential of making some good income. Like ACX, you throw some voiceover samples up, work, get paid. Unlike ACX, Fiverr is more of a marketplace, not limited to Kindle publishing. So you might have somebody that needs work for a voiceover ad or even a YouTube video. Just about anything really. I just paid somebody 20 bucks on Fiverr for voiceover work that couldn't have taken more than 5 minutes.
Not true. It took 6 minutes.
That's him right there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Remember, links in description for all websites mentioned. Subscribe and get notified. Check you on the next one.